का खाना दिल दीवाना हो गया।
सावली सूरत पे मोहन दिल दीवाना हो गया। तेरे संग राधा ओ सांवरे रुकमन खड़ी है ओ सांवरे।
एक तो तेरे संग राधा, दूसरा रुक्मण खड़ी।
एक तो तेरे संग राधा दूसरा रुकमन खड़ी।
तीसरा मीरा का नाम दिल दीवाना हो गया।
सावली सूरत पे मोहन दिल दीवाना हो गया। तुम देव मेरे ओ सांवरे और प्रियतम भी तुम ओ सांवरे।
एक तो तुम देवता हो, दूसरा प्रियतम मेरे।
एक तो तुम देवता हो दूसरा प्रियतम मेरे।
तीसरा सपनों में आना दिल दीवाना हो गया।
सावली सूरत पे मोहन दिल दीवाना हो गया।
सांवली सूरत पे मोहन दिल दीवाना हो गया। दिल दीवाना हो गया मेरा, दिल दीवाना हो गया। दिल दीवाना हो गया मेरा, दिल।
Hello, good morning. Suprabhat. Switch on your camera, Nima. Others may join in a bit. We'll start now because it's already, I've been waiting for others. So let them join when they can. Hello. Hello, baby. Today you are doing with us?
Yeah.
Today you are doing yoga with us? Yes. I forgot your name. What was it? Tell me your name again.
Omkar.
Omkar, correct. Hello, Omkar.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Chalo, let's do yoga today with us, okay? All right. So today I'll guide you and let others join as and when they can. I'll guide you. I'll do little less because I'm a little unwell, like I'm having a little headache. So I'll do less. I'll just guide you, okay? So let's just sit in the position. Keep your hands. Sit in Sukhasan. Keep your hands on the knees. Shin Mudra. Make sure your backbone is straight. Shoulders rolled back. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. Face towards me. Take a long deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's chant Om 3 times. Take a long deep breath and just chant Om 3 times. Om. 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 Bring your palms together, rub them together, feel the heat, feel the energy, and let it flow to your body, through your face, through your eyes. For a few seconds, look at your palms, open your eyes slowly and look at your palms. And bring your hands down. Thank you for joining today's session and taking care of your health. So I'll play some music. Let's do a walking or a jogging, whichever is convenient for you. Okay? So let's stand in your place, and for 3 to 4 minutes, we'll do jogging or walking.
राधे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा राधे राधे
राधे श्यामा 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 राधे राधे
कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा
श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव पितु मात स्वामी सखा हमारे पितु मात स्वामी सखा हमारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा
Try to touch your heels with your hips. Stand in one position and try to touch hold with your hand and try to touch your heels with your hips. Yes, very nice.
बंदी ग्रह के तुम अवतारी कहीं जन्मे कहीं पले मुरारी
बंदी गृह के तुम अवतारी
अद्भुत हर बात तिहारी।
गोकुल में चमके मथुरा के तारे, गोकुल में चमके मथुरा के तारे।
Lift your knees up. Try to touch with your stomach.
नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा, श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा।
Last 30 seconds. Do little faster walking or jogging. Little faster.
अधर में बंसी, हृदय में राधे, बट गए दोनों में आधे आधे।
अधर में बंसी, हृदय में राधे, बट गए दोनों में आधे आधे।
हे राधा नागर, हे भक्तवत्सल।
Slow down. Slow down, slow down. And relax. Spread your legs. Spread your legs little bit. Bend down. Bend down. Leave your upper body loose. Leave your hands loose. On each count, take a long, deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. 8, 7. Breathe in from nose and breathe out from either nose or mouth. 6, 5. Leave the hands loose like a pendulum. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Very nice. All right. Can you change the angle of your phone? I can see you. Yeah. So let's start rotating your head. Still, I can see your. Yeah. Now it is fine. Yes. If you are a little behind, then I can see you. So start rotating your head. 1, 10 times one side. Make sure you feel the stretch. Go all the way back also. 2, yes. 3, 4. No need to do in hurry. Do it aram se. 4, 5, 6. Go all the way back also. 7, yes. 8. You should feel the stretch in entire neck. 9 and 10. Relax. Change the direction. Change the direction. When you go left and right, try to touch your ear with shoulder without lifting the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in when you go up, breathe out when you come down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. Up and down. Just join in Triveni.
Sure.
Yeah. Up and down. Take your head up. Completely look up, look behind as much as possible. 1. Bring it down. 2. Up. Down. When you go up, breathe in. When you come down, breathe out. 3. Up. Down. Up. 4. Down. Up. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. All right, so just use it as a counter. May not match with everyone. My counting may not match with everyone. Just use it as a timer. Left and right. 1, 2. Feel the stretch on both sides of the neck. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feel the stretch. 9. If you're not feeling the stretch, that means it's not working out. 9 and 10. Very nice. Try to touch your ear with the shoulder without lifting the shoulder. Keep it down. 1. Other side. 2. Feel the stretch on the other side of the neck. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. Lift your shoulders up and keep it up as possible. Feel the stretch in the upper portion of the body, in the upper back. You'll feel the stretch between the shoulders. Hold it up. Hold it up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Bring your shoulders down. Very nice. All right. So full round of full circle with the shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Feel the stretch. If you're not feeling the stretch, that means you are doing less than what you should do. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Change the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. All right. Hands exercise. Keep your hands like this and pull your palms towards yourself as if there are two imaginary walls crushing you in between. They're coming closer to you, so you have to push them. So push them and make a circle. Trivenika, do the counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Reverse. Do the reverse now.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Relax. Both direction you did, right? Both
Yes.
of you? Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So keep your hands like this. Palms facing forward. Just keep it like this. Look at this one, huh? So now 1, as if we are waving to something. 1, 2, do the counting. Triveni, do the counting.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yes, very nice. If you are feeling any pain, press your arms, upper arms and shoulder muscle. Press, keep your hands there. Look up, you will feel better. All right. Now make a one big circle. Hima, can you do the counting? One huge circle. 1,
1,
2.
2,
Yes.
3,
Slowly make a big circle.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I should do
Continue.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Relax. Very nice. Change the direction. Change the direction. Do the counting. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Hima, make a big circle.
9.
Take your hands up as well. Up. See, you are bent. You are bringing from here, right? So take it from up.
11,
Yes.
12,
Very good.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Very good. Very nice. Chalo, move your waist. If you are feeling any pain, relax yourself by pressing your arms. Triveni, do the counting. Press when you go forward, press it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it in the reverse.
Continue. Same direction, continue.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Hima, push.
18, 19, 20.
Direction change. Change the direction.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20. Very nice. All right. Very good. Hima, you have to push little bit more. Okay. It will come. Slowly it will come. All right. So I think, let's see. Triveni, how much is your weight? Current weight?
90.
90. 90.
Huh.
90. And Hima, how much is your weight?
105.
105. Oh, okay. In look wise, Triveni's weight looked more than yours.
Yeah, because I have stomach after cesarean. After
Ah.
C-section, my stomach has become like this actually.
Correct. Okay. All right.
Actually, I am 92. Actually,
92. Okay. All right. So let's work upon it. All right.
Yes.
So did we do both side?
Yeah.
Did we do both side? Yes. Okay. So now let's do little leg work because today our focus is going to be on pranayam, but I want you to do little bit of exercise. Then we will sit and do the pranayam. Okay. So let's lift the legs. Keep it up for a few seconds. No, not like that. Sideways and up. Sideways and up. Like that. Like that the Hima did. Same with what we do regularly. Straighten your leg, Triveni.
Okay, like this.
Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, relax. Okay, one more time. Again, can we do without stopping 20 times? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, very nice, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax your leg, very nice. All right. Other leg, lift it up, sideways. 1, same leg. Hima, you are doing the same leg?
No.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. Very nice. One more time. One more time. Count of 10. Just lift it up. Now, same leg. Same leg. Whatever just we did now, just now. That one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax your leg. Very nice. Sideways only. Sideways we did lifting, right? In the front, we will do Pad Chalan Kriya, means we will move like this. Okay? 5 times each leg. Lift it as high as possible. 1, lift it up. No, no, no. Oh, no. 1, 2. All right, so start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finish the counting of 5. All right. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make sure you have done 5 counting. All right, very nice. Chalo, let's sit. Very good. Triveni, you have gotten a lot of flexibility actually. Lot of flexibility compared to when you started, right?
Correct.
Lot of your body is moving very nice. Very good. All right. Okay, let's just sit. So now today, generally on Fridays, I try to focus on meditation and pranayam. All right. So let's sit and have the Shin Mudra. Keep it on your knees, back straight, eyes closed. Here I'll put 2 minutes, 2 or 2 to 3 minutes approximately music. And what we will do, we'll do pranayam. So, what do you call it? Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, we'll start with Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. So, Triveni, you may remember, right? Nadi Shodhan
One
Pranayam.
side we have to inhale, exhale from the outside, and again
Yes.
inhale from the other nostril and exhale from the other nostril.
How do we start? We start always
Left
from
side.
right side.
Right.
Right? Yeah, means right side, first left side, breathe out completely, and then breathe in from the left side.
Okay. We'll close the right nostril.
We'll close the right nostril. Hima, you got it? Yeah, you have done it. Have you done Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, or it is also called Anulom Vilom? Have you done it before?
No, not it.
Okay, so then I'll just explain one more time. Keep the hands, you can keep 2 fingers in your forehead just to support the hand, and then with the thumb close the right side of your nose. Close the right nostril. From the left side, breathe out completely. Whatever air you have in your lungs, breathe out. Then from the left side, after breathing out, breathe in. And then with your third finger, close your left nostril, and whatever air you have in your lungs, now you breathe out from the right side. Now from the right side, breathe in and breathe out from the left side. Then again, breathe in from the left side, breathe out from the right side, and breathe in from the right side, breathe out from the left side. So these are the 2 cycles, right? We'll continue these cycles. You understood, Hima? Or even if you have not understood, slowly you will follow. Okay? Chalo, let's start. I'll play some music. Keep on doing with patience, okay? Keep the patience in the mind. Don't worry about, oh, how I have done it so long, how long it is, how more I have to do, like that. Just keep on doing as long as music is playing.
राधे कृष्णा 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 राधे राधे
राधे श्यामा 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 राधे राधे
कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा
श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव पितु मात स्वामी सखा हमारे पितु मात स्वामी सखा हमारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा
Whenever you feel too tired, you can bring your hand down and then restart. Okay.
बंदी ग्रह के तुम अवतारी कहीं जन्मे कहीं पले मुरारी
बंदी गृह के तुम अवतारी कहीं जन्मे कहीं पले मुरारी
When the cycle is complete, when you have breathed in from the right side, that is when you take a pause. Slowly. Alright, relax. We'll do Kapalbhati Pranayama Abhyas. In Kapalbhati, what we do? With a stroke, we breathe out. With a stroke, we breathe out. Take a long deep breath in the beginning. And then with a stroke, breathe out. So focus on breathing out. Kriya, breathing in will happen automatically. You don't have to focus on it. Only on breathing out, you have to focus on it. Okay. Jhatke ke saath mein, you have to breathe out. With a jerk, you have to breathe out. Understood, Hima? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
Got it. Okay. So always sit straight, right? You are right now, you're sitting little like this. So sit straight while doing pranayam. If you feel tired anytime by sitting cross legs, always straighten your legs, relax like this, and then come back in Sukhasana. All right. So you can always relax in between whenever you feel tired. No need to do in pranayam, no need to do it in pain. Okay. So we do pranayam relaxed mode, not in the pain. All right. So let's sit in cross legs. and hands on the knees. Shin Mudra always, backbone straight. For 2 minutes, let's practice Kapalbhati. Keep your eyes closed and breathe out with a stroke. And do it slowly. In the beginning, Hima, you do it slowly.
किसी के जाए किसी के कहाए है अद्भुत हर बात तिहारी
गोकुल में चमके मथुरा के तारे, गोकुल में चमके मथुरा के तारे, नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। अधर में बंसी, हृदय में राधे, बट गए दोनों में आधे
अधर में बंसी हृदय में राधे बट गए दोनों में आधे आधे
हे राधा नागर, हे भक्त वत्सल, सदैव
Slowly stop. Pause. All right. All right. Chal. Hima, I was not able to see you. I was not able to see your breathing much.
Okay.
So I'm not sure whether you are doing it right or wrong, but slowly we'll catch up. Okay. So in few sessions when we are doing, you will get it. So how do we, so for Triveni, I was able to see her chest going up and down with a stroke, but your chest, I was not able to see going in. Maybe you were doing little slower. Maybe that is the case. Okay. All right. So let's sit in Sukhasana and keep your hands on the knees. Close your eyes. Let's chant Om 3 times. Take a long deep breath. Chant Om with me. Om. Your eyes closed. Keep your focus on your Agya Chakra. Bring your palms together. Rub them together. Feel the heat, feel the energy, and let it flow to your body, through your face, through your eyes. One more time, rub your hands together. Let your palms be warm and let that warmth flow into your body, to rest of your body, each part of the body. Feel grateful, feel thankful, feel respectful for your body and take care of your body. Thank you, God, for showing this beautiful and wonderful day. Slowly open your eyes. Let's do one big laughter. One big laughter is 3 times. Just laugh. Laugh aloud. Okay. जोर से हंसना है without feeling any shame, without everyone in the family should come. Oh, what is happening? Omkar should have come to you. Okay, what happened to Mama? Why she's laughing so loud? All right, chalo. Start clapping. Back side of the palm. Very nice. Sideways. And with your wrist. Beautiful. Very nice. You have a wonderful day. आपका दिन मंगल में रहे, शुभ में रहे. What I will do now, I'll play. Let me see. Where is it first before I tell you? Yeah. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll play one audio. You can just lie down in your place. Okay. I'll let the meeting run. You can listen to the audio and do Shavasana. Okay. Just sit in Shavasana and it will be Yog Nidra. So according to your time, you can stay in Yog Nidra for a while. All right. So let's do that. I'll keep my video off, audio off. I'll just let the meeting play. And once you are done, you can just leave the meeting.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Just lie down in Shavasana.
वशिष्ठ योग आश्रम और पद्मनाथ योग केंद्र की प्रस्तुति। प्राणायाम के भाव को अपने अंदर महसूस कीजिए। अपने शरीर की स्थिति को एक बार निहारिए। आपके दोनों पैरों में पर्याप्त मात्रा में अंतर हो कि दोनों हाथ शरीर से थोड़े दूर, तो हथेलियां आकाश की ओर खुली हुई, आंखें हल्के रूप से बंद। अपने सांसों को पूरी तरह से शांत होने दीजिए। गर्दन को बिल्कुल ढीला छोड़ दीजिए। केवल अपनी आती जाती सांसों को महसूस कीजिए। शरीर के किसी हिस्से में अब कहीं भी कोई खिंचाव या तनाव हो तो अपनी चेतना को उस हिस्से पर ले आइए और उसे वहां से शांत और ढीला छोड़ते जाइए। जैसे सांस आ रही है आने दीजिए, जैसे सांस जा रही है जाने दीजिए। अपने सांसों के साक्षी बनिए। हर छूटती हुई सांस के साथ लगे कि शरीर ढीला और ढीला होता जा रहा है। आपके शरीर का जितना भी हिस्सा धरती के संपर्क में है उसे और भी ढीला छोड़ते जाइए। एक शव की अवस्था में चटाई पर लेटा हुआ आपका शरीर पूरी तरह से शांत, पूरी तरह से ढीला है। शरीर के जिस हिस्से का नाम लिया जाता है मन की आंखों से, उस हिस्से को निहारते हुए उसे वहां से शांत और ढीला छोड़ते जाइए। दोनों पैर शांति, पैरों की उंगलियां शांति, पैरों की एड़ियां शांति, दोनों पिंडलियां शांति, दोनों घुटने शांति, दोनों जंघाएं शांति, नितंब शांति, निचली कमर शांति, पूरी पीठ शांति, दोनों कंधे शांति, दोनों हाथ शांति, दोनों अंगूठे शांति, सारी उंगलियां शांति, दोनों कलाइयां शांति, दोनों कोहनियां शांति, दोनों हाथ शांति, निचला पेट शांति, ऊपरी पेट शांति, चौड़ी छाती शांति, लचीली गर्दन शांति, दोनों आंखें शांति, कपाल का भाग शांति, पूरा चेहरा शांति, मेरुदंड शांति, आंतरिक अंग शांति, सारे विचार शांति, मन की गतियां शांति, सारा शरीर शांति शांति। शांत